Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to share notes in Notability as a PDF. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've written up an assignment in Notability and would like to submit that, but it has to be in PDF format. So I'll be showing you how to export notes in Notability in PDF format. Don't forget to check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm already in the document that I want to export, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on this little export icon in the top left corner and then tap on the option that says share to, and then here the first option will be the format of your document. So this is already on PDF. There's a few other formats, but that's basically it. You're going to tap on PDF if that's not already chosen, and then you can just tap on share note, and this will allow you to save to files or share in any other way, and you can do that. And yeah, that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to export notes in Notability in PDF, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.